almost flooded. What the fuck is this nigga doing? I like this shit. Austin's fire. That 450's fire too. Come on, Tori.
Cause leaving is the hardest thing to do. But being left is hard, oh yes it's true. But you're coming back.
Taking a ride on Subie Moto's bike, baby. This thing's fire. I like it.
Can I get back to you?
I'm not about to loop your bike.
Let me get back to you, but I don't wanna face it. All this time that I wasted, you're so close I can taste it. I cannot get back to you. 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 I cannot get back to you.
I cannot get back to you. I cannot get back to you. I cannot get back to you. I cannot get back to you.
The hardest thing to do, being left is hard, oh yes it's true. Yes it's true, yes it's true.
Bitch, I am a soldier, got it with the Yola. Whip with gun and movie black, know they out the NOLA. Bitch, you from out the south side, bossy shit around me. Anyone should try.
That bike is sexy. Who that thing for? Hey boy, that thing's nice. I mean the shifter and shit, it's all different, you know. Everybody adjusts their shit different, so. But I like that throttle, dude. It's way
Really touchy.
twitchy. Yeah. That thing is like, dude, you could just keep it up there.
Did you do a fucking coaster too?
I mean, a little bit.
I heard somebody up there and he bombed.
Pick up on the phone, Juve detention center. Mama can't come get us. Goes from 13 to like 17. His sister made us bitch a sweater. Cost a bike, play with me, my trigger finger, get him. Grandpa taught me see and don't see, hear and don't hear, never telling. Check my